this week we've been talking about birds. So I wanted to share a piece of work that I have out for the classroom. So we'll start with our first bird is a cardinal. Cardinal's red. Then I have an indigo blue bunting. That's a really pretty blue bird. Then I have yellow warbler with yellow feathers. Yellow warbler. Then I have a woodpecker. We got to listen to a woodpecker this week right outside here at Southampton. The sound it makes when it's pecking at the tree trunks or the branches, a woodpecker. I also have a robin. Robins lay beautiful blue eggs. Robin. I also have an oriole. Orioles are black and I see some orange. Oriole. So I have little models here. I'm gonna match my yellow warbler. Yellow warbler goes with the picture. That's a match. I have a robin. That's a match. Cardinal? Nope. Does it match here? No. That's a match. Cardinal. I have the oriole. Where are you? Here it is. Oriole. I'm matching it with the picture. Then I have a blue indigo bunting. That's a match. And then I have a woodpecker. That's a match. So there you go. We went over some of our birds. Next week, I thought it'd be fun if we made a little bird feeder. So maybe you can do that along with your parents at home. But I'll have something for next week. Maybe we can do a project together. So thank you. Bye.